In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Snowflake. First and foremost, you'll want to make sure you're using a supported web browser. Snowflake works seamlessly with popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. So, pick your favorite and open it up. Once you're in your browser, head straight to the Snowflake login page. Simply type in the URL https://app.snowflake.com. This is where everything begins, and it's your gateway to accessing your Snowflake environment. The next step is entering your account identifier. Now, this is a crucial part, as it specifies which environment you want to connect to within Snowflake. You might be wondering what exactly an account identifier looks like. It typically has a format similar to this, acmedev.region.aws. It uniquely identifies your account and tells Snowflake exactly where you want to log in. If you've logged in on this device before, you might notice that your account shows up in a drop-down menu, making it quicker for you to select and proceed. This can be a handy time saver, especially if you frequently access the same account. Moving on, once your account identifier is in place, it's time to sign in with your credentials. You'll need your username and password handy. Enter these details, being mindful of any caps lock settings or common typographical errors that might occur. Now, security is often a top priority in many organizations, and Snowflake understands this. If your account includes an additional layer of security, such as multi-factor authentication, or MFA, you might be asked to complete certain steps. This could involve using a passkey, or perhaps an authenticator app on your phone. Follow the prompts carefully and input the required information to verify your identity. In some cases, your organization might utilize Single Sign-On, or SSO, which integrates directly with your company's authentication process. If that's the case, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the SSO process. This might involve entering your organization's credentials or confirming access via another secure method common within your company's IT framework. And, just like that, you're in. You've successfully logged into your Snowflake account. From here, you can begin managing your data, running queries, and making the most out of Snowflake's powerful features. Remember to keep your login details secure and log out when you're finished to maintain your account's security. And there you have it, a straightforward and comprehensive guide to logging into Snowflake. Thanks for tuning in, and happy data exploring.